Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, one of the latest smartwatch in the Series 7 clone. We have, the Watch 7 Elite smartwatch. Okay, we already have our unboxing and checking out its specs and design of this wearable. So this time, we are going to check its menus and features. Okay, so this is your Watch 7 Elite smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so activating the smartwatch, just press this one. Okay, so we have here the default watch face for the wearable. Okay, let's check. I guess the settings is on top. So here we have the QR code. I guess the information this one. So this one is to lock the battery. This one, what's this? Okay, the menu style. Okay, and on the right side we have the watch faces. Oh, I mean the left side is all about watch faces here. Scrolling on the watch faces. That's the crown button works here. Okay, let's see. Okay, it also works. Okay, so and on the right side the same, left and right side the same. It's all about watch faces here. Okay, so we have plenty of preloaded watch faces here. Okay, let's see, very obvious, okay, changes or feature for the Elite smartwatch. Okay, on the bottom part we have the menus. Okay, so tapping on it, let's see, nothing. Okay, so we have here automatic activity tracking. When you press the crown button here, see, on the bottom part we have the menus. Okay, so that's it for the design, menu design of the, or UI design of the Elite smartwatch. Another thing that is added to this wearable, though there are also wearables with the same feature here. Let me turn this off. Okay, and that is the boot up logo. Okay, as you can see here, it is trying to mimic the Apple Watch, or it's trying to copy the Apple Watch. Okay, so stepping up the clone war, or the clone battle for the best Apple Watch clone. Okay, so let's check on the different menus of the wearable. So here, so we have the bubble type menu. Okay, I'm not really a fan of this type of menu, so let's change it. Okay, can we zoom in, zoom out? Okay, so we can zoom in with the crown button here. And obviously, as you can see, we have a speaker. So let's go for the list menu here. Okay, so we can check. So it has a phone book, dialer. Okay, meaning the smartwatch supports Bluetooth call. Okay, we also have, okay, heart rate here. We have the sports. So what are they included in the sports function? So yeah, let's check. So we have walking, running, riding. We have hiking here. Okay, we have football. What else? Basketball, badminton, and that's it. So each sport function, for example, running, let's see. Okay, there's a countdown. So it monitors the steps, calories, as well as the heart rate. Okay, no other graphs involved here or data. Okay, so we have calculator. Let's check it out. Okay, so basic calculator here. We have calendar, We also have sleep function here, so it monitors for the light and a deep sleep. We have stopwatch, sedentary alert. So we have pedometer for the automatic activity tracking. Okay, let's check the pedometer. So it calculates for the time and calories as well as the steps. Okay, we also have support for Siri. I don't know if it's working. Other wearables like this, especially in the Series 6, it's not working, or it's just a somewhat like a feature, added feature, but it really has no function. It doesn't work. We have app download, so this is for the support app. We have alarm. We have history of your activity here. We have anti-loss find device. We have Bluetooth music, Bluetooth camera. We have call logs for the Bluetooth call. We have notifications here. Okay, you can receive message notifications. We have blood pressure. Also file manager. Okay, so we have here the memory here. So I don't know what's the purpose of the file manager here. Okay, so this one doesn't have a camera. You have Bluetooth here, voice memo. I guess for that is for the okay voice memo, as you can see here. Okay, so the smartwatch has a built-in speaker. We have motion. Okay, what's the motion? Wake up gesture on. Okay, so when you flip your wrist, okay, it will turn on the screen display. We have the brightness adjustment. We also have a volume here. Okay, also have main menu. Okay, so again, the menu options, as you can see, we have 9 apps: smart style, list menu, 6 grid, square, 9 grid, and magnet 1. So what's the difference? So let's check. 9 apps, we have this one. Okay, so that is the 9 apps. We have the smart style. The smart style, so it's the bubble type menu. Okay, and we have the list menu. Okay, the one that we picked earlier. We have 6 grid, not 6 grid. Okay, so there's some typo here. Okay, so this is the 6 grid. Okay, going back, we also have square 9 grid. What's the difference? Okay, let's check. Okay, so this is your square 9 grid. What else do we have? We have magnet. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is your magnet. So uh, uh, shows, or it looks like a window icon or window UI. Okay, going back, let's go back to the list menu. Okay, it's much easier to navigate. Okay, so for the sensors here, we have heart rate. Okay, so let's check on the heart rate here. Okay, so does it work? I don't know if it's just random or provide an accurate results. Okay, we will check on this feature later on. If we do have the we'll compare it with a medical grade device for checking the heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, so we have 85. Okay, we also have, I think we have a blood pressure here. Let's check blood pressure. Where's the blood pressure? Here we have the blood pressure. Okay, so it monitors for the blood pressure also. Okay, very fast result. I don't know if it's just an animation, random animation or not. Okay, we will check it. We'll check this when we use the smartwatch in the next few days. Okay, so let's go for the settings. Okay, watch out also for our review of the support app for the Elite smartwatch. Okay, so it also has a game. Okay, Flappy Bird, Ultimate Racing, Stick Hero. Okay, let's try the Stick Hero. Okay, new. Okay, how do you play this one? Okay, I'm not familiar with this game. Okay, anyway, it has several games here. We also have a Flappy Bird here. Okay, so if you're bored, you can play the game. I don't know. Oh, okay. And what else? We have theme here. So you can change the theme, guess the background. Also have the vibration here, weather, power saving, volume. Okay, I guess that is the content of these settings. So here's your details about your smartwatch. Okay, so far that's it. The features and menus of the Watch 7 Elite smartwatch. Okay, similar to other Series 7 here. Although as you can see here, the screen display is not that wide. Okay, we have 1.75 inch 330 by 385 pixel resolution. So let's take a look again at the design here. Different menus and functions of the Watch 7 or Series 7 Elite Smart Watch. Okay, we are going to have a series of videos for this wearable, so stay tuned as we show you the steps in pairing this to its support app, as well as the watch faces and comparing the sensors of this one to a medical grade sensor. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye.